welcome back to Pro Picks. Today we're talking about a
comeback.
A screwdriver. No, we're talking about obviously the Delta, the new, comeback, the Delta dual bevel miter saw. And it's nice to see him come back.
Yeah, I mean, they came back strong.
Because I mean, they really haven't heard, it's been in Milwaukee,
it's
been whatever.
Years,
but
probably since almost you were
and
born.
I've got the Delta contractor saw and the Delta drill press. So
Delta socks.
So it's nice to see Delta back. All right, Josh, why should I like this?
So, okay, this comes in a 10 and a 12 inch.
And this is the 12 inch.
This is the 12,
yeah,
Mark.
I know that much.
So the 10's $5.99, the 12 is $6.49.
Okay.
So this also comes with a belt drive mortar on it.
Right.
It's also got the dual butterfly arms on the back. So what I love is you unlock it.
So that's what they're calling a butterfly?
That's my term, because that's what it looks like if you think about it. But it pulls back, and when you get all the way back and you get back here, I mean, there isn't like a lot of play and racking, So for that accurate cutting, getting way back when you
and
cut
like
big
other
stuff.
systems, instead of the rails, if you took this off, I guess, you would have, you can put it right up against a wall.
Yep.
So it takes
That's one of the big things.
Right.
And then if you're on a job site, walking by more room if it's on a stand and stuff.
Yep.
It's got an 1.5 inch port on it for the vacuum, so you can actually hook the vacuum up to it. On the vertical cut, it's got 7.5 inches on it, which is super cool. It's got a slow ramp up on the start. It's not like,
yeah, that's nice.
It's just like edges into it, but it's still not slow enough to bore you,
So you're standing around?
Yeah, and then also it's got the brake on it, so it brakes as you shut it down, so it's pretty cool.
And this is smooth, but you can actually adjust this, right?
Yeah, so you can pick the friction here. There's Allen head wrenches right here, or Allen heads.
Yep.
Yeah, you can make it more, so there's more friction on there, So another thing, that mortar's mounted on the top, it's really nice and clean, at 57 pounds in weight. I mean, for a 12 inch, that's pretty good.
And I actually read some online reviews, buying reviews, people that bought it, and they seem to love it.
Yeah, no, they do.
This
literally just came out. We've been testing it. They sent to us. I won't lie to you guys. This is actually the photo shoot saw. So they photoshopped this saw and sent it to us.
Oh,
so
nice.
we were like one of the first to get this thing. So it's got a 50-degree left.
Have you tried the dust port?
Yes, it works amazing with that big catch on the front here.
Okay.
So 50-degree left, 60-degree right, does 47-degree bevels. But I gotta show you, honestly, this is the part that amazes me partially the most. So if you take the fence wings here and you pull these out, this is my favorite part. So you hit that, so it'll always zero itself out with this lever back here. There's one on each side. But if you pull the lever and unlock it, right there, it's spring assisted.
Sure.
So you want to go right there? You want 22.5? There you go, 22.5.
That is nice.
You want to move it here? There you go, done. Not reaching behind it. You can leave this piece unlocked. But then if you want to zero it out, you unlock it, flip this lever if you're all done.
It automatically
It'll lock into place, push this down. It's just, I mean, they really, really thought about everything in this saw. It's a cool saw.
Yeah, and this is a pro saw.
Yeah, it's torquey too, 4,000 RPM. I mean, you can cut some wet, heavy, deep stuff. And the other thing I forgot, sorry, I could keep talking about this darn thing, but you can cut up to an 18-inch cross cut if you take these fence wings off and get it up here if you really, really needed to. But yeah, it's got, I think that's the highest capacity cross cut saw out there. So yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. What does it cost?
$5.99 for 10-inch. $6.49 for the 12-inch, and this is military-grade aluminum. What does that mean? I don't know, but it sounds super strong.
Good. All right, nice job, Delta. Welcome back. Stay tuned for more Pro Picks.